Welcome to another video of the Revit tutorial for beginners. In this video we will go through how to use components and how to insert them into your Revit projects. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and also give me a like. So as you can see here, I placed a wall and made a room for myself. So you can see here in the architectural menu that there is the components. You press that and you will see what already exists in your library. As we can see here, I have a chair and a bed, and I also have some other stuff. So if you don't have these components in your library, you have to download and insert them into your project. So let's add one of these desks into this room, and then you can also rotate it by clicking on it and pressing this one. And first you have to click on the paper, and then you will see what kind of angle you want it in. So you can either drag this or you can use this one for more precision. Now if you don't have any models in your library, you have to insert them. And you do this by clicking this one, and then if you have downloaded them, you simply go to that folder and select which one you want to insert. Now keep in mind that every model that you insert into your project will also be saved in your project, making it bigger. So I'm going to show you how to look through the building in this 3D view, and you press the section box, and by this you can drag it through the building and it will cut through. You can see how the room looks like, and you can also change things from here. So I'm just going to build up our little room, and we need a bed. And we also need some kind of storage. And as you can see, these models are from 2014, and it doesn't really matter what kind of version you have on your Revit, because it can work in the new Revit also. Now some models that you download, you can change them from the view itself, and some models you can't change, and you will probably notice that. So for example, this model here, you see that it has some arrows on the side. And you can actually change the width and the length of it by dragging these, which is not really recommended because you want to have even numbers even in these closet spaces. So now it's starting to look like a room, and we can view this by a realistic view. And keep in mind that we haven't changed any of the materials on this stuff. So you can see that I have hidden the ceiling from an earlier video, and by unhiding it, it will show like this. So now I'm going to show you how to insert a new door that you have downloaded, and you actually have to press the door and then select load family, and then select the download that you have made. Now this is the only way you can insert doors or windows into your project. Now it's the same way for Windows. You actually have to press Window and then load family and select your downloaded window. That was all from this basic components video, and thank you all for watching, and hit that subscribe button and please give me a like.